How to download Discord on Android device. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how to download Discord on Android device. Well, Discord is a voice and video text chat app that's used by tens of millions of people ages 13 plus to talk and hang out with their communities and friends. Isn't that interesting, guys? So if you want to use this particular app on your Android device, keep watching the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now without any further ado, let's get into the procedure of downloading Discord on your Android device. First of all, in order to download Discord on your Android device, all you have to do is tap on Play Store on your mobile phone. After you tap on Play Store, this screen will appear on your mobile phone. Now tap on search bar and search for Discord. After you type Discord on your mobile phone, tap on search box which is in the bottom right corner. Now this screen will appear on your mobile phone. Now all you have to do is tap on install which is inside the blue box in the top right corner. Tap on there. Now you just have to wait patiently because the download depends on the quality of internet you have. The faster internet, the faster you'll get the app installed in your mobile phone. So wait patiently. As you can see, Discord has already been downloaded in my Android device. Now all you have to do is tap on open in order to enjoy all the features of Discord. So this was the easiest way to download Discord on Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with next tutorial regarding Discord. Goodbye till then.